Hello, welcome to our channel. Any particular website, how you can enable by the web push notifications. That is called, this will be particular HTML and WordPress website. I'm selecting for Ashok Computers. This will be activated by the push notification. So what is that? See this one. Push notification software to improve your customers. How you can improve your customers? Any people open your particular website by search by name. They open your website will be here. When a scrolling will be going on in this particular website, I can show will be pop-up application, subscribe and later. Subscribe to our notification for latest news and update and you can even disable anytime. So right now I can only for activation will be show your particular things that you can activate or inactivate stage that you can use by the a particular onesignal.com. This completely free will be up to certain limit. Means here is that limited personalization, unlimited API sense, ABB text, intelligent delivery, GDPR compliant. So this will be click for here. So which category describe and role? So what is that? I'm into sale, laptop and what is called CCTVs and I'm saying will be here. This industry will be here is that. So technology. So what is the purpose of drive visit to your website, example, onboarding, updates, and reminders, send a marketing promotional message to drive revenue, provide company updates, re-engage the issue users, reduce cron, send the transition notification here. Now click for continue. After that, what is the name will be here. If you want login, we can activate two websites and multiple websites will be acceptance. After that, the accept will be here. We can open for push notification. They will be show will be here. Is a web notification. Click for continue. They can show will be three option. Typical site. Here is that customer code. Select for typical site. First of all, add your name. After that, add your domain name. Domain name you can full URL. Auto resubscribe HTTP only. Yes. And image purpose. Simple. Right click. Copy image address. Here will be upload here. We can use option name is called link URL. Click this and search it. So what are the your image is that? Click for settle it. Too long. So what can call dismiss. So what we can go for it? Choose file. Where is your exactly? We can save your file is there. I can go to this particular here. Add on your logo. If this is high, what we can do? I think we can do this. The too large, your logo will be. So that is called. Here, push slide button. So we can push slide button will be like this. So we can go with any option will be here. Ladder and subscribe. You can go for not interest. Latest news and updates. You can reserve anytime. So this will be, I'm giving the seconds will be only 5 seconds I'll give to the particular option. Compass our prompt option we can select will be, we can number of prompt will be there. Push, custom bell and negative bell also will be there. This also will be activate your particular things. Block and allow. This mean by you want to show notification, block and allow. This is a prompt not recommended. So this will be also subscribe your push will be in this particular option. Subscribe bell. So any bell will be required. You can go with the subscribe bell also will be acceptance. Anything required, you can add by the particular things. Email and phone prompt like submit. So any message will be here. No thanks and submit. Add your particular phone number. So here is that choose image will be there. Email and particular phone number. If is nothing required, here is that. Change your location and update your phone number. This will be complete for message option will be activate your particular code option. So here, phone prompt. Users without loss purpose, we can go with this option will be here. Send welcome notification after subscription. Here, thank you for subscribing. Open new link. We can open for the your particular website link. Open it and it will display by the Android, Windows, and Mac OS. Mac OS will be completely we have to enable will be upload your P12 certificate. If it is available, we can do it. Service workshop. Anything customer require, here is that. I don't have any kind of workshop. Which is more important? Which is your push notification and your particular website. HTTP only we can use it here and everything will be in this. Click for save this. After save, we can activate your particular option will be here. So don't click for copy code. This code where you can place common header or common footer. We can using for common header or common footer option. Just I'm logging for cPanel here. Log in cPanel, click for file manager where our code will be here. Is a common header and common footer we can utilize. Complete it. Check it out. Refresh. When I'm scrolling time, what we are showing will be pop-up option. You can check will be here. Not interested and subscribe. So both we can use will be here. So those option will be can utilize by your particular website. There will be not interested and subscribe option will be here is the particular things. Now after activation, click for finish it and check for the dashboard. So what are the parameters? Click for next, 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 and complete. No longer need this guide. Complete. Here is that. Here is that. So what are the subscription, everything we can show will be here is the option. Total subscription, add to subscription and the platforms. They will show will be here is the option. So we can open for the dashboard, click for the complete dashboard is there. What are the messages, new push, new app, everything will be here. Click for new push, same will be options. This is a push notification will be here. We go to the dashboard, see this. Anything will be here is the option. So we can go with any new website we can add by push notification. There is the option will be here. So this push notification, if is unsubscribed, can I show once again? Not like that. Once you subscribe, they can't visible by like this. Suppose I can open incognito window. Click here. Exactly after scrolling will be 5 seconds. You can show your particular pop-up option will be there. Why I'm showing 5 seconds? It will be subscribe will be there. But if I'm going to subscribe, when you am refreshing for this one, here you can go it. Then click for contact us page. Is an incognito window. Suppose same here, click for subscribe. Here is the when you log in your browser, they can always you are available by the cookies option. That is the here is the option. With the login, without login, lot of difference on your push notification option. Use these parameters and enable your push notification each and every website. If any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.